This right here is the best and highest quality way to measure the air quality in your home. I'll link it in the description, but this is the IQ Air quality monitor. But you can see right here how you use this thing is it displays the CO2 as well as the air quality overall, 1 out of 100. You can see right here, 11 is very good. And basically it'll display the air quality across hours. And basically this doesn't clean the air quality at all. So basically you're going to need to react to this thing. When you're cooking, it's obviously going to spike and the air quality in your house is going to drop significantly. So you might want to open a window, turn on a fan, but basically it displays the temperature and the humidity as well in this thing. And basically this thing is very, very simple to use. You just turn it in, plug it in, put it in the central area of your home. In doing so, you can see the air quality and the CO2 levels, which increase like your focus. You want to keep this below at least 600 for maximum focus. And breathing on this thing will obviously spike it, so that's not what it's intended for. But I'll link this in the description. This is the best way and easiest way to measure the air quality in your home. You just put it on your shelf and you're good to go. If you found this helpful, leave a like or send this to someone who you think might benefit from one of these. I've been using it for like 6 months myself and really, really like it.